I'm not sure what kind of fish they are, but there's some kind of fish swarm in my stream. I'm tempted to say little trout, but I don't think so. They're about 6 inches long. I think they're catfish. They look a little light to be catfish, but they look like catfish to me from here anyways. I'm just checking out the repair. We had some issues with our culvert. So then we patched it up, put in some concrete, put in some grills, helped hold up the bank. And we added a lip on the culvert so that it sprays the water out away. Excuse me, come back out. And this is a big rock cap. You can definitely make it out on both sides of the current. So there's no way that's going to erode. Really cool. Let's see if I can get a little closer. I wasn't planning on going for a big hike, so I only have my flip-flops on. Let's see where I can get to. Yeah, I think they're catfish. Yeah, definitely. I can see the mustache. There's one that's kind of towards the bottom. He's swimming above, and I can see him clearly because of the sand in the background. Unfortunately, the glare is killing it on the camera. And here we go. I'll give you guys a better view of the repairs we made.